Hey there, YouTubers! My name is Marin Mitchell, and welcome to my vlog, Rambling in Ramsey. So today, we're taking our first trip with our new puppy. Annie and I are. You can probably hear them down there. So stay tuned. We're going to go to the Pacific Coast, even though it's lockdown here in Marin. Stay tuned. It's a rainy day today, so we're going to take one of my favorite drives, that's great no matter what the weather is, to Bolinas, which is on the coast, retrace our steps through Olima to Point Reyes Station, and then through Nicasio, a tiny little town, and home. So first we're going to have some breakfast. Good wait. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Hang out there. Okay. So I've been watching Kaylin's 14-day challenge for dog training. She's great. And so we've learned to go to the rug and to stay. So this is making for a peaceful breakfast, at least partially. Annie has an abbreviated version. She wants to be closer to mom. How you doing, boo-boo? Good. Okay, give me a little treat. All right, good work. All right, there you go. Good. All right, we're gonna have some breakfast. We're back on keto. We've got Fage yogurt. I like this sugar here. And some homemade granola. All right, I think we're set for the day trip. There's Abby in her cage. She likes her cage. So, you ready for a big day trip? Are you? Good. Annie's all set. So, you know, she's really leaky now because she's 17. So I keep that there so she won't climb up and leave a puddle on the passenger seat. And then I took out the sleeping bags and the pillow, night stuff, because I certainly won't need that. But we'll have lunch down in Bolinas or in Point Reyes and take a nap. I always have to have a nap, so I need a place to stretch out so I can move the cage over a little bit, stretch out. So that'll work. All right, okay, let's go. There's Samuel Taylor Park, but it looks like only open for day use. Yeah, sure it is. That's any RVs. So we're coming into Olima, which is really nothing more than a street corner. Very pricey little restaurant. There. There's a campground down that way. And, oh, another pricey place to eat. Tiny little visitor center. Anyway, that's it. Don't blink. this way. This is where I like to park. Find a little parking place. Will do. I'll walk around. Okay, it's going to be a little hard to do one-handed, but here we go. All right, want to come out? Can you do that by yourself? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, give it a little push. That's a good girl. That's being weak and she's got arthritis. Okay, what about you, Pumpkin? Ready for a walk around town? Ready? Come on, look closer. Come here. Come right here. Come right in a little place. That's good. Okay, let me get you tied up. All right, ready? Okay, make sure I have lots of poop bags. How you guys doing? Oh, hello. How you doing, Annie? She's chugging. So, Elizabeth, if you're watching this video, what does that house have to do with the Grateful Dead? Or is it the house next to it? I don't know. I don't remember. Let me know. So, Bolinas is definitely a place with opinions. So we've got skin color is not a crime. Dear surfers, it's fishing season. Please honor the right-of-way of our fishermen in the channel. Democracy 1, fascism 0. Respect all love. Love is love. Happy Pride. Nice everyone is a surfer now. Okay. All right, California girl. This is your introduction to the Pacific Ocean. Are you ready? All right, let's go see. All right, Abby. This is the beach. What do you think? And that's ocean out there. Whoa, these are a lot of nice smells. Did I let you go? I don't know. What if you went in the water without me? Got a fair amount of surfers today. Having a good time. This is the first time she's ever been off leash in a public place. She's just loving it. Annie used to like this place too in her younger days. No, it's just a log. It's a log. I know it's got an eyeball. Looks like the face of something, but it's not. What are we digging for? Huh? Let's go. So, what's up, guys? Hey, your first taste of the Pacific. Oh, we are. We're still running. So I was going to say that we're lucky we're here at low tide because the water comes all the way up to the edge there and you can't walk around. When you follow that way, you can go to the other side of town. Come on. Let's go. waiting for? Taking a little rest, is that it? Hmm? Let's go! Are you pooped? What's up? Why don't you want to go anywhere? Let's go! You tired out? I think so. All right, big girl. You are good. All right, you guys are a little cleaner than you were. But still pretty dirty. Look at that. You had fun, huh? That's your happy face. Okay, I'll get you some water. Okay, so we get some lunch here. The lunch is tuna salad. This is keto, don't forget. Tuna salad, beans, and that's it. How you doing? And then Annie's up front. All right, see you in a minute. I finished my lunch. The next task is to rearrange things so I can take a nap. I'll show you what I come up with. Hold on. All right, we're all set for a nap. I put my window shades up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I moved Abby over. How you doing? She should be sufficiently pooped to take a nice nap. And I've laid out my mattress. I take a nap every day. Oops, let's get that off of you. We don't want to strangle you, do we? Okay, Annie will be fine. Don't you, boo-boo? She's pooped. Got a nice walk. All right, now, oopsie, the keys, and then I'll lock us up. All right, nighty night. Okay, now I'm gonna put this car back together. Ready? Well, we are now headed to Point Reyes Station. Hatches are bat down, and look at how sunny it is here in Bolinas. Since I had my nap, well, let's just say the sun came out while I was having a nap. But we're heading out, so let's go. To get to Point Reyes Station, you go back the way you came by Little Lagoon, all the way back to Olima, that little hotel, and then you just go a little farther. There's a schoolhouse. Okay. So it's about 20 minutes, I think. Population 350. Okay, that's one of the main streets. We're gonna go up here and turn left. Oh, Highway 1. Sort of 3 little parallel streets. And then they're each about, I don't know, like about 2 long blocks. It's a nice little walk up one side, down the other. So that's what we're going to do. Park right here. And get the dogs, and here we are. You coming my way? Right. Looks like everything here. It's cold. I put my coat on again. We're gonna walk up there. Oh, boo boo. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, see over there. Alrighty, I'm going to end the video here because in a second I'm going to get on the freeway, and that's a pretty boring video, so thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along on Abby's first outing, and keep on rambling, and we'll catch you next time. Bye! Abby liked the beach so much that when I started to play the video, she went nuts. And then she started running around the house looking for the ocean.